We have another work example on quotient rule. Find the derivative of tan x. To solve this question, don't forget that from your basic algebra, tan x can be written as this. Tan x is equals to sine x over cos x. So in that case, I'm going to have y is equals to sine x all over cos x. Okay, as you can see, I've already expanded tan x as this. So I have this in form of a quotient rule. I have this question in form of a quotient. So therefore, I'm going to engage quotient rule of differential calculus. And don't forget, on my previous lesson, I told you that the first step is to identify your u and v. And I told you that u is the numerator. So sine x is the u and cos x is what? V. Having identified your u and v, the next step is to take the derivative of u and v respectively. So if u is equals to sine x, derivative of u is what? Which is the u all over the x is equals to what? Cos x. And if v is equals to what? Cos x, the derivative of v, which is what? The v over the x, is equals to what? Minus sine x. You can see like that. So don't forget that from quotient rule formula, if I have y is equals to u over v, dy over dx, that is the derivative of y, is equals to what? V multiplied by du over dx minus u multiplied by dv all over dx. So all over v squared. So you have known the quotient root formula. The next step is to substitute all this into this formula. So I'm going to have dy all over dx is equals to what? V. What is v? V is what? Cos x. So I'm going to put cos x multiplied by what is du over dx? Du over dx is cos x also. So this is cos x. You can see like that. Let me put this like this. Minus u. What is u? U is what? Sine x. So I'm going to have minus sine x. Sine x. Dv all over the x. Dv over the x is what? Minus sine x. So I'm going to have multiplied by minus sine x. So all over what? V squared. Don't forget that v is what? Cos x. So I'm going to have cos x goes to the power of 2. Okay, let's proceed. Dy all over dx is equals to cos x multiplied by cos x. That is cos square x. Cos square x minus, I want you to pay attention, sine x multiplied by minus sine x. That is minus sine square x. So I'm going to have minus sine square x all over cos x raised to the power of cos x. Okay, cos x multiplied by cos x, that is cos square x. So I'm going to have cos square x. Okay, let's proceed. Dy all over dx is equals to cos square x minus sine square x. So don't forget that negative times negative, that is positive. So I'm going to have cos square x plus sine square x all over cos square x. You can see we arrived here. Okay, don't forget that from your basic algebra identity, trig identity, don't forget that cos square x plus sine square x is equals to 1. From basic algebra, your trigonometry identity. So this cos square x plus sine square x can be represented as 1. So I'm going to have dy all over dx is equals to 1 over cos square x. And also 1 over cos square x is also the same thing as what? Sec square x. So I'm going to have dy all over dx is equals to what? Sec square x, because I have 1 over cos theta. This is also the same as what? Sec theta. You understand? If I have 1 over cos square theta, this is also the same thing as what? Sec square theta from your trigonometry identity. So that is the reason why I changed this 1 over cos square x is also the same thing as what? Sec square x. So the derivative of y is equals to tan x is what? sec square x. You often hear that when you differentiate tan x, you are going to get what? Sec square x. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell so that when I drop new video, you are going to get update. And also, please like and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.
On this channel, you will find information, concepts explanation, tutorials video with detailed explanation that will assist you in gaining more knowledge and insight. In addition, our channel features past question, solution to questions you are likely to encounter in exam, solution to all past questions. Please kindly subscribe. All questions are solved with simplicity.